Alright, well, hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver from Shaver Sales here. Tooling down the road just before we get to the shop. I did not sleep very well last night. Why, you might ask? Well, kind of felt like a kid at Christmas. Something about getting $250,000 worth of trailers in a single day just has my mind spinning. So, just about getting ready to pull into the shop here. I want to tell you guys about a brand new trailer manufacturer that we're going to be repping for. The company is called CaMex. The trailers are actually manufactured down in Mexico, and they're going to look pretty much very similar to what you're used to seeing. And let me flip this camera around because they're right there. So here are the brand new spiffy trailers. I do have to put them together, unfortunately, so it's a good thing that I played with a lot of Legos, Connects, Rector sets, all that kind of thing, reading blueprints and doing assemblies. So let me get out of the truck here. We'll do a little walk around and tell you what we have going on. So this is the first ever load of CaMex trailers from Mexico to be in the US. So I have seen them in pictures from our manufacturer friend Tony, sending those up to us, but this is the first time we're seeing them in person. So do a little walk around here. Sorry it's so dark, but it is like 6:30 in the morning, and yes, the weatherman missed it again. It was supposed to be 10 degrees. It's -8. So what are you gonna do? So like I said, it's a good thing that I played with a lot of Legos and Connects and the Technics and all of that kind of thing growing up, because we got some assembly and to be done, but I think the batteries might be included on this one. So these are the P.I.D 19 loaders. They'll be very similar to our 190s that you're used to seeing. And then the CX designation is a deck over dump. So that'll be 7 feet wide, 16 feet long, 16,000 pounds. These are the wooden floor style trailers that you're used to seeing. And the trucker ramps, the rub rails. £8,000 axles with the 17.5 load range J 18-ply tires. Well, I'm gonna go inside, get a cup of coffee going, and wait for the sun to come up a little bit, and we'll go from there. But this is my project for today. All right, well, we'll do a couple of video updates throughout the day, but just wanted to wrap this one here for now. But I am AJ Shaver with Shaver Sales, and we have been selling the blazes out of these new trailers. I think we've done at least 6 in the last week, so kind of very anxious to get these put together to play with, show customers what they're all about, and run things from there. So if we can get you a sales quote, it's sales@shaverequipment.com. You can also call me. It's 833-SPLITTER and 833-775-4887. I do have to go put my bibs on and get my nose hairs to unfreeze because it is cold. So thanks for watching. Stay up to date with us, and we'll get these things put together today. I'm so excited.